saying the Ministry of Education, they have a conference saying that we have a lack of 74,000 Islamic teachers. In Indonesia, you do not need Islamic teacher. You need people to teach you science. Your people are ignorant. They are poor because of ignorance. Your country is a wealthy country. It's very beautiful. One of the reasons making you go back because of Islam. So instead of focusing on finding 74,000 teachers to teach you nothing, what is the benefit if you learn Islam? To join ISIS? What that will do to Indonesia? Here we go, Saudi Arabia is full of Islamic teachers. If not the oil, Saudi Arabia will be living now in the camel. What Islam brought to Saudi Arabia? Look at Emirat. Emirat does not exist in the world of Islam because they, in the name they are Islamic. The more they stay away from Islam, the more they go advanced. The more Islamic they are, the more go in the cave time. So instead of wasting the money of the poor Indonesian in giving jobs for 74,000 false teachers who will teach you nothing except what? How to shave underarm? In the same time, in the Quran, your Quran, in chapter 16, verse number 17, it says, the one who do create is not the same who create not. He says, أَفَمَنْ يَخْلِقُ كَمَنْ لَا يَخْلِقُ أَفَلَا تَذْكُرُونَ. أَفَمَنْ يَخْلِقُ كَمَنْ لَا يَخْلِقُ أَفَلَا تَذْكُرُونَ.